back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get season crate and what you will unlock from the season crate in Plants vs Brainrots game on Roblox. Okay, let's get into it, guys. Here I have already joined the game and I'm going to show you how you can get the season crate. You can go to the season shop, guys, and go to the shop right here, and here you will be able to buy this season 2 crate. Okay, it costs 350 coins, and you can get the coins from finishing or completing the quest, the season 2 quest, and go to the shop to buy the season crate. And these are the plants or the seeds that you can get from the season 2 crate. Spearmint seed, Mr. Parsnip seed, and yeah, so on. And each plant or each seed will have its own chance or possibility to get. And okay, guys, that's how you can get the season 2 crate and what you will unlock from the crate. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.